Yeah, this is the one back here I want to check out, y'all. This one looks like it's got a metal roof on it, straight from the factory. Now that is amazing. You never have to worry about any roofing problems. I love a metal roof. Look at this thing. This is beautiful. Wow.
That's Champion.
This is a Champion home, isn't it? Let me come over here away from the light. Get a better lighting fixture on this. Wow.
Why is that charcoal so appealing?
I know, that's a nice charcoal color, isn't it?
Why does it look so good?
Champion Homes. It's got sheathing. Wow. 3 windows for the kitchen. Look at that. Got a hose bib there.
Probably a bathroom light window.
Yeah, this is nice. Big home.
Might be a bedroom. It's hard. There are more windows?
Anyways, we're gonna go inside here and check this out, y'all. Come along with us. Remember, all pricing and information will be at the tail end of the video. Let's check it out. All right. This one here is empty. So this is an empty home tour. Look at this ceiling, guys. Very decorative. It's nice. Got a nice fireplace. Three windows there, 2 windows over there. All right, let me come stand this corner over here.
Yeah,
So would this be like the dining area over here?
this would be your dining area, right under this fan. And living room's right there. You got your nice kitchen.
All right, all right.
Very nice kitchen, I like it.
It is a nice kitchen.
A lot of counter space.
And this is a Champion home. Am I correct? Okay. Don't want to get it wrong.
Oh, soft close.
Yeah. My lighting's getting off. There we go. Let me try this. All the natural light's making my lighting on my phone get off. All right. Check out this kitchen, y'all. Nice farm sink. Cabinets. She did say they were soft close. I thought I heard her say that. Lots of lighting.
And you got 3 nice windows.
It's a good sized kitchen.
It is.
You don't recognize how big it is. You don't realize how big it is. Recognize. Where's all the drawers at here? No drawers here.
What?
But you can see what it's supposed to look like.
No drawers? Oh, they took them out.
Yeah. This home actually just sold, you guys. That's why it kind of looks like it's torn apart a little bit. The trim's missing. Like, there's a lot of stuff. The master bedroom, you're going to see there's a lot of stuff in there. This home actually just sold. But you can order one just like it. So we missed it by a few days. It was all put together. It would have been really nice, all furnished. Utility room back here. And that goes into the master bath from the back door. Okay, which way should I go?
That way.
Oh, so that's not the master?
No.
Oh, so I lied. So the utility room does not go into the master bath. And let's go into the guest bath. All right, yep. Here's the guest bathroom.
Really nice.
Yeah, not bad at all.
Good size.
And that goes out to the back door there. So, pretty cool. And straight across, bedroom number 1. Very good sized bedroom. I like the chair rail.
I was gonna say, you look that middle
Yeah.
trim there.
I like that trim. You can tell they're already starting to take it all apart. This house was, like I said, it was all put together a few days ago. We just missed it. And now they're starting to tear it all apart because they are going to be moving it. A lucky family just got this home. Ooh, good sized closet back here. Look at this thing. I didn't expect that.
Where'd you go? Yeah, it's all tape and textured.
Yep, I should have mentioned that. This whole house is tape and textured.
And 8-foot ceilings.
Yep,
Looks like.
8-foot ceilings. AC is in the ceiling. Bedroom number 2 is even bigger than the last one. Wow.
You don't notice it until you get in the corner.
These are big rooms. Let me try your corner. Does your corner look better than mine? Oh, yeah. See, this room they haven't started tearing out yet. This one still looks all put together.
Got 2 windows.
I like that. This is a big room. Another big closet. Even bigger closet than the last. This whole room's bigger than the last one. Everything is. Wow. You sure this ain't the master for a guest bedroom? That's pretty big.
Small.
All right, let's shoot straight across and show you. What are we missing? We're missing something. I never got into the pantry. I just seen that. We're so busy looking at everything else. There's all the drawers for the island.
It's in there, yeah. See, and this has a different layout because here it's got that vault ceiling.
Yeah,
With the beams, and then over there it's flat. Like, it's different.
it is. One half is vaulted, and the other half has a flat roof, like Amanda was saying. So, pretty cool.
It's unique.
All right, let's see if I can even get in here. So this is like their staging room. I'm not even gonna get over there and mess everything. I don't know if they're painting anything or I don't know what's going on. I doubt they're painting. But anyways, this is the master. My phone, the lighting on my phone keeps going in and out. All right, I am gonna come back here. I can squeeze back here. I do it for you guys. The things I do. That's better.
It's a big room.
Just the lighting on my camera, when I hit that natural light, it messes my camera up. And this is a really good camera, y'all. Like, I don't know why it's doing that. I gotta adjust something.
Very good size room.
Yeah.
Oh, I like this.
Wow, this is a big bathroom. Amanda, you're not allowed in here. She's gonna want it. I want this bathroom. Look, another tub. That's a big tub. If you guys missed the last video, I actually got inside the tub and about got stuck. Okay, that was another good tour. If you guys missed that video, I'm gonna leave that right up here in the corner. Which corner should I put it in? I don't know. One of these corners. It's gonna be in one. Yeah, above Amanda. That's where I'm gonna leave it. If you guys missed it, I'll leave it up there and you guys can see me get stuck in the bathtub. I'm not gonna do it again.
This is nice. Double vanity. All drawers.
That's nice.
Got a bunch more storage space. Like, can't get enough.
Soft clothes.
Yep.
I'm like on a soft clothes hit now, man. I don't never open the cabinets enough to show you guys. Soft clothes.
I like these big windows.
Yeah, lots of light, natural light. You got your bathroom here hiding in its own little room. Your toilet, I mean. And then here you have a nice shower. It's taped, so I can't open it. It is very nice.
And then we got another nice bonus.
And then a huge closet. Whoa. Okay, this closet's bigger than all the other ones. Wow. This is a good sized closet.
Yeah, you could put one of these right over there.
Man, that lighting, I don't know what's going on today. For some reason, that lighting, there must be a setting on that I'm messed up on. Because my phone's adjusting to the light for some reason.
That's a big bathroom.
Yeah, this is huge. Let's come back here again. Show you guys that closet one more time. You guys, I apologize if my lighting is coming in and out. It's the natural light. It's something on my camera. But this is beautiful. You guys, if you're enjoying these tours, please give us a big thumbs up. We do appreciate it. All right, that's pretty much it for this one. You guys, make sure you stay tuned. Make sure you guys are subscribing. We will see you on the next one.
Bye.
Bye.
So this home again is called the Chipper. It's made by Scott Built Homes, which is also now owned by Champion Home Builders. The price at time of recording is $144,000. That includes delivery, setup, steps, skirting, and AC.